around with me is Motorola Razr 60, and today I would like to show you how you can locate all your downloads. First of all, open Google folder and find Files app. Tap on it, click on Downloads under Categories, and then tap on any of them to open one you wish to, like this one. You can manage it thanks to those options at the bottom or those at the top right corner. Now, you can also manage your downloaded file by clicking on those three dots right next to it. If you want to manage multiple, hold one and select all of those you want to manage, or pick all of them from chosen section, in this case today, by clicking on this button at the top right corner. Then use those options also at the top right corner to do whatever you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!